I'm Dominique Kogut, drum major.
I'm Jen Ryan, drum major.
David Jardina, band director.
Allie Eldridge, color guard captain. Katie Early, color guard captain.
And we are the Sheehan High Marching Titans. First off, thank you to Montville Marching Indians for nominating us for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We nominate
Cheshire High School Marching Band, Maloney High School Marching Band, Middletown High School Marching Band,
and Lyman Hall Marching Band. Here we go.